Quick update on the peas and beans. I also put tomatoes here. You'll see the peas that we put in the other day. 2 have come up, and we've put some additional flowers up here, sweet pea and marigolds, and hopefully you can see here broad beans haven't come up yet. Leek. There's a bit of an update, and you'll see last summer we left these in and you can see they're flowering now. These are broad beans, so you might get early broad bean harvest. There's the radish that we planted before, coming up nicely. Second sowing of radish. And quick update, spring onion being planted, coriander being planted. That was a kale from last year going to seed. There's Max. There's the potatoes all done, and also in the potatoes we have put broad beans as well. So we'll see how those work out. Camellia has flowered nicely. Nothing much else apart from that. This is a purple sprouting broccoli, still growing from last season. The hebe went a bit dead basically from the snow, I think. And also coriander here and peas inside there, and that's old sticks from our plum tree. Plum tree looks like it's putting on buds, so hopefully we'll get flowers. Hydrangea, I've basically took out the compost and piled it there to dry off a bit. And that's a quick update on the city garden.